this way a little bit.
Morning everybody, this is Josh over at Silver Arrow Service here in Hudson, New Hampshire. Getting ready to work on this 2016 Bentley Mulliner. Client's daughter actually curbed the rims. So what we're going to do today is we're going to remove the wheels, we're going to dismount the tires, and we're going to send the wheels out. The client wants to get them powder coated, the same gloss black as the vehicle. So we're going to go ahead, show you how we remove the wheels, dismount the tires, and then we'll do a follow-up video of remounting the tires after the rims are powder coated and then putting them back on the vehicle. So the first thing we did is we went in the trunk. We got this handy Bentley special tool that they provide. You actually just slip it right inside here, give it a little pull, and it pops the hubcaps right off. So now that we got the hubcaps off, this is actually metal as well. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pop off this little snap ring right here. And then we need to press in the little locking tabs all the way around so that we can pop out the center of this hubcap. So as you can see, just inside here, there's just 4 little lock tabs that just hold that locked into place. Now we're going to use a 19mm, take off the 5 lug nuts. Now we brought the wheel over to the tire machine. What we're going to do is we're going to use this arm right here to very carefully break the bead all the way around. The one thing you want to make sure is that you know where your valve stem is, because you never want the shovel right on the valve stem where you can break the sensor right off. We spin it so that our valve stem is right at the top. Pull our arm down so it hooks the lip. I'm gonna put our bar in, push down on this side, and then carefully pull the lip over the arm. And then just gently spin it. Now that you have the top off, spin your valve stem back to 12 o'clock. Do it the second time. And you've successfully removed the tire. So we'll do that 3 more times and then send the rims off to powder coat. Well, now that we got the wheels fully dismounted, we got the valve stems out, we got the center caps disassembled, We're gonna go ahead and have the powder coater come pick these up. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. You can message us online, or you can give us a phone call, 603-566-2075. If you guys liked what you watched, please make sure you hit that like button and give us a follow. Thanks.